To use interpreter on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you will have to open the quick settings panel for the first. Now you will have to expand, and right now just find this interpreter icon. When you tap on it, as you can see, you got the conversation mode enabled. So now set the first language. In this case, we are going to use English, and for the second one, we are going to use Polish. So now you have to click on this icon to start using this conversation mode. Hello, how are you? Now as you can see, we can find the answer in the Polish language. Yeah, I'm gonna just pause it because it just automatically turns on when you speak the first phrase in this first language. And you see the phrase in your native language and then answer in this second language. So now if I want to answer in the Polish language, I have to click here. Cześć, dzięki bardzo, wszystko u mnie dobrze. And as you can see now, we can answer in the English. So that's how it looks. It's pretty quick and accurate, as you can see. And I hope you find it useful. By the way, if you want to repeat and play something one more time, you can click on this icon.
Hi, thanks very well with me.
There we go. And of course, by clicking here, you can just change, you can put it upside down. So if someone is looking from this direction, then someone that is standing on the other side will look at it also like you. So that's pretty useful. And here you can also find a history. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Here you can also find the listening mode. There we go. And you can also put it on the home screen if you want, so it will be visible on your screen. So this is it. Thanks for watching.